So we all know how quickly those strong winds can come up out of nowhere and how they can just devour a tent. And you will lose a lot of money buying a tent every 3 or 4 months. So that's why I chose this tent. It's so important to have a tent that not only sets up quickly, but more importantly, takes down quickly. So I'm only going to pop this tent up when it's actually time to get a shower. And when I get through, after it dries out, I'm putting it right back down. And I'm going to link the previous video into this video so you'll see just how quickly this thing takes down. I also put a rock on it because I'm telling you, the winds are crazy. So I take the carry bag that it comes in and I fold it up and then put it down as a cushion and then put the rock on top of it. And you don't have to undo anything. You don't have to, unstake the guide wires. You don't have to unstake the tie down points here. You don't have to do any of that. That's why I chose this tent, because all other tents, like those pop-up tents that you kind of twist down into a circle like a disc, you have to do a lot of work to take them down. And it's going to take you probably 10 minutes to take one down. And when the winds come up real strong, you need to be able to take one down in a minute. I mean 1 minute before it just rips your tent to pieces. It's really important. I just told you about my clam tent being destroyed because I couldn't take it down quick enough. So let me go ahead and link that video in because this is the way to go. This is made by the brand Core. Julka used to make this tent because I remember in the desert when I was camping with Chloe, she had one. But I couldn't find the Julka tent on Amazon anymore. So now it's made by Core brand, C-O-R-E. So here's the video showing you how quickly it goes up and down.